Work is different now. We are commuting less and virtually meeting more. Separating work life and life can be challenging. It's easy to forget that to thrive at work, we need to take care of ourselves. Microsoft Viva Insights offers new experiences to balance productivity and well-being. Personal insights help you stay at your best and most productive. Add structure to your remote workday by opting for virtual commute, carving out the time to have a productive start in the morning and a mindfulness disconnect in the evening. Take time for regular mental breaks with Headspace, tapping into dedicated moments of mindfulness. Tune into your day-to-day mindset and well-being with the help of the team at Prometix. We're on the forefront and we know where the future is heading. Let Prometix tailor a solution for your teams with Microsoft Viva Insights. Managers and leaders love this stuff. They can use these insights to see how work happens and the impact on employee well-being. Prometix, creating certainty with Microsoft solutions.